Hello everyone. A few days back, on August 7th, OpenAI has released its latest new model GPT-5. It is claiming that it is the smartest, fastest, most useful model yet, with built-in thinking that puts expert-level intelligence in everyone's hand. So it's saying that it can do the deep thinking automatically. Okay, so we need not choose it separately as we used to do previously, right? And it's doing it automatically based on the need. So it will be quick in case if it is not recurring deep thinking, and it will be doing deep thinking to provide effective answer. Okay, so it's like very effective in this way, automatic switching, right? Apart from that, it is able to create coding very effectively. That is what they are claiming. But based on their stats, everything. So first one, they are claiming it's a unified system. Okay, and it's like a very smarter model from various perspective, coding, other things. They are saying that it has created this ball runner game within one prompt, just by using one prompt. Okay, this prompt. So similarly, for use writing for a lot of things, they provided a lot of comparison charts. You can go through that details. So they're claiming that it is better from various perspective, right? So especially they are saying that hallucination got reduced in a drastic way. They provided a lot of comparison charts. Okay, so in case of health bench or hallucinations, here we can see the huge difference, right? So here they are saying that hallucination is just to 1.6% only, compared to 16% of GPT-4. Okay, but I don't know whether it is that much correct. Because people, I used to go through various social media discussions, and people are not showing any specific enthusiasm towards GPT-5. They are just taking it another new model like that. There is no major discussions going about GPT-5. I may be missing that thing, so just I wanted to know about your experience about GPT-5. Just to share it through the comment section. Okay. So when I asked ChatGPT to give highlights about GPT-5, it provided these details. Okay, it's unified and adaptive reasoning. That is the thing they're highlighting everywhere. Okay, so it is saying that superior benchmark performance from various perspectives: math, coding, multimodal, health, instruction following. Okay, and the tool integration is very effective, like that they're claiming. Okay, and here you can read the more details. So basically, they're highlighting their automatic thinking. That is very key thing they are highlighting. And apart from that, they are claiming that hallucination got reduced much. But I don't know whether it's that much true. Just to share your thoughts and your experience, particularly through the comment section. Let us see. Thanks.